With 10 clear benefits of oil diffusers already outlined, there is one more that should now be obvious. Using an oil diffuser will help you to save money.
So today is Tuesday and I'm gonna share to you about humidifier, guys. So I have humidifier here. This one is PN1 HU180. Little bit bigger, guys. And yung capacity ng lagayan ng tubig niya is a little bit bigger din. It's 400 ml. At maganda siya kasi mas malaki yung lagayan, mas marami kang malalagay ng tubig. At the same time, mas matagal siyang maubos. Ayan, yung maganda dito, meron siyang timer. Pwede mo siyang iset ng 1 hour, 3 hours, and 6 hours. Depende sa gusto mo. Yung colors niya, meron siyang 7 colors na pagpipilian. Pag bumili kayo ng ganito, merong i-recommend sa iyo na aroma oil. Other one, guys, is this one. This is a little bit smaller. Meron siyang 4 na kulay. Ayan. And yung capacity ng tubig niya, lagay ng tubig niya is 200 ml lang. Maliit lang siya. Pero, maganda siya, guys. Ita-try natin siya later. Ayan. Meron kang ilalagay sa kanya na aroma oil. Bibili kayo. So, yung binili ko kasi, ganito yung binili namin. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, yung klase ng aroma oil na binili namin. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang bango niya, promise. Depende sa flavor na gusto nyo. Kasi yung binili namin, ocean and then summer. Ayan. And summer fresh. Ayan. Sobrang bango niya, guys.
Humidifier therapy adds moisture to the air to prevent dryness that can cause irritation in many parts of the body. Humidifiers can be particularly effective for treating dryness of the skin, nose, throat, and lips. They can also ease some of the symptoms caused by flu or common cold. However, overusing humidifiers can potentially worsen respiratory problems. Humidity acts as a natural moisturizing agent that can relieve dryness. For this reason, humidifiers are often used for relieving dry skin, sinus congestion, headache, dry throat, nose irritation, bloody nose, irritated vocal cords, dry cough, cracked lips. You may be prone to these discomforts when the air in your home is dry. This is especially common during winter months or when an air conditioner is being used during the summer. Benefits of using oil diffusers: helps you to relax, promotes feelings of calm, improves clarity and focus, makes lifestyle changes easier, boosts your mood, reduces the appearance of redness, helps clear airways for easier breathing, supports a healthy digestive system. Affordable, relaxing, and healthy, oil diffusers are gaining popularity with people everywhere due to their extensive benefits. Oil diffusers work through the simple process of oil diffusion, which uses heat to turn oil into a vapor that is then spread around a living space. Unlike candles or air fresheners, oil diffusers release cleansing molecules into your air that work to purify it, not overload it with unhealthy chemicals. Electronic diffusers also do not pose the fire risk that candles do. Plus, they contain the added feature of interchangeability, which means you change oil types for different scents and health benefits. Several lab studies have confirmed that diffusing essential oils like lavender have been shown to reduce stress and help relieve anxiety in medical patients. Preliminary studies have also shown that oil diffusers can help alleviate symptoms of depression. Diffused oil has relaxing properties that can help people all ages fall asleep quicker and sleep more soundly. Electronic diffusers not only have the option to mix and match different oil blends, they also run at a gentle hum. The Many also come with an auto shut-off feature to help conserve oils once you have fallen asleep. Much like gum, oil diffusers can help stimulate the senses in a way that works to curb appetite. New research has shown that diffused peppermint oil can help curb appetite by inducing a satiety response within the body. Diffused peppermint oil has also been shown to increase energy. When essential oils are diffused in the air, they break down free radicals that contribute to the growth of harmful bacteria. Diffused oil is also highly effective when it comes to combating fungal yeast threats, as the oil makes the air inhospitable for yeasts such as mold. Oil diffusers work the same way as bottle rub, except they diffuse their decongesting vapor all around the room. Not just on your chest or neck, oil diffusers have been known to cure pneumonia in lab mice. Scientists have shown that oil diffusers can be used as a safe and highly effective mosquito repellent. Diffusing oils can also be an effective means of pain relief. When we inhale healthy essential oils, they enter our bloodstream and can help internally relieve persistent pain from headaches, overworked muscles, and sore joints. Research into the antiviral effects of oil diffusion is now just gaining steam. A recent study showed that star anise essential oil was proven in medical experiments to destroy the herpes simplex virus in contained areas at a rate of 99%. Another study showed the popular doTERRA oil blend on guard to have highly effective influenza combating powers. Diffusing oils has also been shown to improve cognitive function. Many essential oils have adaptogenic qualities, which can work twofold in soothing us when we're stressed, and giving our bodies a pick-me-up when we're feeling down or sluggish. Diffused oils also help us to focus. There are also several essential oils which have been shown to help balance the body's hormones. Inhaling essential oil stimulates the olfactory system, the part of the brain connected to smell, including the nose and the brain. Molecules that enter the nose or mouth pass to the lungs, and from there, to other parts of the body. As the molecules reach the brain, they affect the limbic system, which is linked to the emotions, the heart rate, blood pressure, breathing, memory, stress, and hormone balance. In this way, essential oils can have a subtle, yet holistic effect on the body. Essential oil diffusers are an excellent way to reduce and even prevent stress and anxiety in your life. Essential oils have a direct effect on the parts of the brain that control anxiety and stress. And exposure decreases the heart rate and blood pressure, allowing a person to relax. Unsurprisingly, the essential oils for stress and anxiety are very similar to those recommended for sleep, but some notable additions are rose, vetiver, and cinnamon. Using essential oils to relax the mind and body are a great way to both reduce stress and anxiety and improve your sleep. Essential oils offer a great non-invasive option to relax the mind, reduce inflammation, and increase blood circulation. These oils offer relief from stress and can also soothe muscle pain and offer some relief from chronic pain while encouraging rest, healing, and calm. Using an essential oil diffuser with immune system blends can boost your immune system to prevent you from falling ill. Essential oil diffusers support the immune system by reducing stress, soothing the nervous system, enhancing immunity, and strengthening the respiratory system. Essential oils that boost immunity are tea tree oil, frankincense, eucalyptus, Scots pine, helichrysum, and rosemary. Essential oil diffusers can be used to repel many types of insects naturally. While mosquitoes, ticks, and outdoor bugs are a nuisance, they can also carry harmful diseases. Diffusing essential oils can help to eliminate stinky, smoky, and musty household odors. Aromatic oils can kill the bacteria and fungi that come with bad smells, thus purifying the air. The best essential oils for getting rid of cigarette smoke are lemon, grapefruit, clove. To eliminate kitchen odors, try essential oil flavor, citronella, verbena, vanilla. Essential oils can be used to increase vitality and reduce fatigue, boosting your energy as if you've had another cup of coffee. The go-to essential oil for memory and focus has long been known to be rosemary. Other great essential oils for memory and concentration include peppermint, lavender, basil, and sage.
That's all for today. This is the Filipino Wanderer. Barong sa daton, share and like. She subscribe. Ciao!